Hello everyone, this is Kopu Ankita. I am from CSIT. My topic is challenges in securing the domain name system in human computer interaction and UI and UX. Introduction to DNS. What is DNS? The domain name system is DNS translate human readable domain names into IP addresses, act as the backbone of internet navigations. Importance of DNS security, critical of maintaining the integrity and availability and confidentiality and internet communications. The importance of DNS security, the critical maintenance and integrity and availability and confidentiality internet communications, a primary target to cyber attacks. The introduction to DNS security, the why DNS security matters. It ensures user to reach the internet websites, protects against cyber threats and phishing, malware and data breaches. Prevent disruption of internet service. It used for security and for malware, for attracting attackers to prevent. The common DNS security challenges are DNS spoofing and cache poisoning attacks and inject malicious data in DNS caches to redirect users to infraudable states. The impact is phishing and malware interactions, data thief, DOS attacks in DNS servers and attackers, and the food DNS servers with requested making domains unreachable attacks. The impact of service disables business losses. Challenges in DNS security. There are lack of encryptions and traditional DNS standards. DNS queues are not encrypted, making them vulnerable to saving the drafting. Attackers can monitor the manipulate DNS traffic. There are so adaptation and DNS security protocols. DNS security extensions are provide authentication and but not widely used implemented. Organizations can estimations due to completely and computability issues. Increasing susceptible of security threats, hackers use AI and automations to exploit DNS vulnerabilities. Zero-day exploitations make DNS security difficult to maintain. Common DNS security threats. Vulnerability in third-party DNS provides. Many companies rely external DNS provides. Example: Cloudflare, Google, and DNS. Single point to fail. If the provided attackers attack multiple services to go down. Difficult to detecting DNS attacks. DNS based on attacks often go to unstocked because they do not direct to user device. Advanced threat detection systems are needed but costly. Real world DNS security incidents. DNS attackers is 2016 large scale DDoS attacks affecting major websites, Twitter and Netflix and Reddit. Used mirror bots with IoT devices. The IoT means Internet of Things devices. Google public DNS hijacking. Hackers are redirecting users, malicious sites, hijacking Google's and Diggles. This Google has used for DNS manipulations used for curiosity and redirections to take websites. The key DNS security solutions are implementing and enable DNS over HTTPS. The HTTPS is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It's used for secure and there are two secure and unsecure HTTPS are there. Use multi-factor authentication MFA secure domain registration from unauthorized access and deploy firewalls and instruction direction systems IDS and regularly monitor like daily activities. DNS implemented and DNS security extensions. Best practices for organizations. Use provided DNS resources for enterprise networks. Block known malwares domains with threat intelligence feeds. Regularly updates and patch DNS services. Restrict access to DNS settings and reinforce store-based access control RBAC. And the future DNS security adoption of AI driven threat detection for DNS monitoring, greater implementation of blockchain based on DNS solution, enhanced regulations and compliance and standards for DNS protection. The conclusion about this DNS is a critical part of the internet and high value target for attackers. Security measures like defense, encapsulation, and monitoring and access control and essential protects defense key ensuring in secure research and DNS. It is used for secure and resisting and the part of internet of high value target. This is all about the challenges in secure domain name system is used for there are DNS spoofing, DDoS attacks in DNS services, in the DJs hijacking, and the man in the middle is used for attackers interact with DNS queries, multiple responses. The impact is used for data interruptions and season hijacking. The DSN tunneling in attackers are used to bypass security controls and accessibility. The DNS is a scriber and manually DNS settings. The common DNS security threats are vulnerabilities in third-party DNS providers and difficulty to decrypting the third-party providers in DNS. The many companies are used for Cloudflare and Google and DNS single point to failure and difficulty to defecting the DNS attackers are DNS based attackers often go unnoticed because they are not directly used. The DNS attacks are in large scale DDoS attacker major website Twitter and Netflix and used in many barbers. The DNS is a critical part of the internet, high value target for attackers, security measures and encapsulations and monitoring and access control and efficiency. We'll learn about the challenges in security in the domain name system, the introduction of DNS. The DNS is the domain name system that transfers human readable language to the domain name system into IP address. The IP address is used for system understandable language. And the introduction of DNS security, the common DNS security challenges and the challenges in DNS security. There are lack of encapsulation traditions and slow adaptations and incredible cyber threats and real-time world. Key DNS security solutions, best practices for organizations, the future of DNS security, and then conclusion is DNS is a critical part of the internet and high value of target for attackers. Security measures like DNS and encapsulations and monitoring and access and control and efficiency. Proactive defense is a key ensuring a secure and resilient DNS infrastructure. Thank you. This is all about the challenges in securing the domain name system in human-computer interactions. The conclusion is DNS is a critical part of the internet and high-value target for attackers. Security measures like encapsulations, monitoring, and access control essential. This is all about used for internet of high value target. Thank you.